was a balmy summer morning, warm and early, such as only June bestows. Everywhere the earth adorning, dews late pearly in the lily bud and rose. Up from each green leafy busk and hollow rose the blackbird's pleasant lay, and the soft cuckoo was sure to follow. 'Twas the dawning of the day. Through the perfumed air the golden bees flew round me, bright fish dazzled from the sea, till me dreamt some fairy olden world spellbound me in a trance of witchery. Steeds pranced round and on with stateliest housings, bearing riders pranked in rich array, like flush revellers after wine carousings. 'Twas the dawning of the day. And a strain of song was chanted, and the lightly floating sea nymphs drew near. Then again the shore seemed haunted by hosts brightly clad and wielding shield and spear. Then came battle shouts and onward rushing, swords and chariots and a phantom fray. Then all vanished, the warm skies were blushing in the dawning of the day. Cities girt with glorious gardens, whose immortal inhabitants in rows of light stood methought as angel wardens nigh each portal now arose to daze my sight.